Hi, this is Dave Dozer with the Product Management Group here at Exact Macola, and today we're going to take a look at how to upload custom workspaces into your Exact Macola 10 environment. So, we've got this totally custom, amazing workspace that we've spent hours putting together for our inside sales group. So now what? We want to get this up into our Exact Macola 10 environment. So there's a few steps that we want to take in order to get this uploaded and accessible for our users. So the first thing, just kind of a quick trick, is let's go out and act like we're going to save this so we can get the exact directory that it's saved in. And I'm just going to copy this up. Now we'll jump over into our Exact Macola environment, head to the System menu, and down at the very bottom, under Reporting Services Integration, we're going to go into Management. Now, we don't have any folders set up already for our custom workspaces. Any custom workspaces can be deployed under the existing folders, but a lot of times it's just a best practice to break those out either by functional area or somehow designate that they're custom to your organization. So up at the top, we're going to click on Report Group New, and we're going to create our own custom folder in order to put our workspaces into. Now, we can also give this a description if we like. And we can also tie this folder to a particular module. If you'll refer to the other topic dealing with how to hook up workspaces and reports to a particular entity within Exact Macola, that's going to give you a little more information about what this module list actually does. But just quickly here, you'll see there's different entities like HRM, project, workflow that can be tied to a whole workspace group. And at this point, we can save this as we have our default fields filled in. Now, I'm going to come up and say Report New. The first thing I need to do is assign the report group. So I'm going to go out and pick the group that I just set up. Now, you can name the report whatever you want. Again, just as a best practice, it's a very good idea to keep the name consistent with the name of your RDL file. Because once you upload this report, you're not going to be able to see through the front end what the actual file name is. So by keeping those pretty consistent, it's going to be a lot easier to find your source file later on without necessarily having to re-download it over and over again. So I'm going to browse out, copy in my directory here, find my report, our inside sales workspace. Let's open that up. Now I'm just going to take the name as it is verbatim. And again, this isn't necessary, but just makes for easier management. Now, there's some other options right now that we can set before we save this, and some others that we could set later on. So I can say hide in list view if I want. And what this is going to do is if this is a sub-report that I'm using off of another workspace and I don't want someone to be able to run it right from the front end, it'll upload it, but then the regular users won't be able to see this in their list of available workspaces and reports. And if I jump down a little bit and show his web part, this is going to allow this particular workspace to be used as a home page for users as well. I can save this. It's going to take me right into the maintenance screen for this report. So at this point, it's ready to go, assuming that there were no issues with uploading. And if I want to check it out, I can say View. And there we have it. We've got a totally custom workspace uploaded in our Exact Macola 10 environment. So there you have it. In just a few easy steps, we're able to easily and quickly get a totally custom workspace deployed into our Exact Macola 10 environment. Thank you.